I'm cooking pasta. Yes, I'm cooking pasta. I'm cooking pasta because some of you requested it and you wanted me to show you how to easily make delicious pasta dishes. So today I'm going to be making linguini. Yes, linguini with sausage, a spicy Italian sausage, roasted garlic, roasted peppers, and very special oven roasted tomatoes. I made the tomatoes a while back. We have on our garden we have very small Roma tomatoes. We cut them in half. We put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, sea salt, and then we slowly roast them on the oven until we get this. And of course, basil. So the first thing is I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil to the pan. I have water boiling for the pasta, and we're going to be adding the garlic and the hot dry peppers to roast them a little bit. We're gonna do this for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna be adding the sausage. The Italian sausage, I boil it in the pasta water before I cook the pasta. So all the flavor is in the water and it's going to be in the pasta when I boil the pasta. So we'll go ahead and roast in olive oil the garlic and the peppers. Now that the peppers and the garlic are roasted, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to be finish grilling the sausage. Remember, first I boil the sausage in the pasta water to get most of the fat out, to render the fat. Now I am going to go ahead and grill it to finish it up cooking. And then I'm adding the garlic, the peppers, the roasted tomatoes, the pasta, and finally the basil. And of course, at the end, I will enjoy linguini with sausage, roasted garlic, peppers, delicious. This is beginning to smell and look very good, delicious. Now I'm going to be cooking the pasta. The pasta will cook very quickly, and this is linguini number 13. We'll go ahead and cook the pasta, add the oven roasted tomatoes and the peppers with the garlic. I am going to slowly cook all these ingredients to blend the flavors together, and then I'm going to be adding the pasta, the basil, and then we'll enjoy linguini with sausage, oven roasted tomatoes, garlic, and peppers. Delicious. mangiare. This is almost ready. I just need to add the pasta. The pasta is cooked to perfection. Yes. I love the smell of fresh pasta. And we're gonna be adding a little bit of pasta water. You hear that sound? That sound is the sound of good. I'm going to mix everything. Wow. Cook it just for about 3 minutes, and this will be ready to enjoy. Linguini with sausage, oven roasted tomatoes, garlic, and hot peppers. Delicious. Yes. E mangiare. And now, to enjoy our linguine pasta with sausage, oven roasted tomatoes, basil, garlic, and of course, hot peppers. I'm going to be adding cheese. This time, I'm just adding Parmesan cheese to taste this extraordinary, delicious, simple to make, great to enjoy pasta dish. Yes, es extraordinario, extraordinary, delicious. You cannot have this in a restaurant, so I encourage you to make it. It's easy to make, great to eat. And of course, I'm going to enjoy this with a glass of Barolo wine. Yes. Salute until the next meal. The pleasures